Next we discuss what division of algebraic expressions. Okay, what division of algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Clear? That means first we want to discuss what division of a monomial by another monomial. How to divide one monomial. Monomial means what? Only one term expression. Yes, that is called monomial. Two term means what? Binomial. Three term trinomial. After that, that means three more than term algebraic expression is known as what? Polynomial. Clear? So how to divide one monomial divided by another monomial. Okay. So first we discuss what? 6x cube divided by, it is your example problems. Okay. 6x cube divided by 2x. Okay. Here it is a monomial. That means only one term, again one monomial. Okay. 2x. Clear? How to divide these two expressions? That is 6x cube. Okay, that means what? 6 means what? 2 into 3 into x into x into x. Divided by, that means divided by 2x. 2 into x. Okay, here we can cancel because all in multiplication terms. Okay, so then x cancel. So the remaining is 3 into x square. Okay. In direct, 6x cube divided by 2x. What will you get? 2 in 6, 3 terms. X, here it is 3 times x. So we can cancel 1x, after that x square. So again we get 3x square. That is division of a monomial by a monomial. Clear? Then how to divide a monomial? That is how to divide one algebraic expression by a monomial. Okay, what will you get? How to divide one algebraic expression by a monomial and how to divide one algebraic expression by a polynomial. Okay, both are different. What is it? Our question, given that one algebraic expression that will be divided by one monomial, that is only one term. So we can divide that expression contains 3 or 4 terms. So each term divided by that monomial. Clear? After that, one algebraic expression divided by a polynomial. Polynomial means 2 or 3 terms. First we want to simplify that algebraic expression and then you can divide it. Okay. So for example, through the example you can understand. Okay. First one, 4y cube. Okay. 4y cube plus 5y square, okay, plus 6y is one algebraic expression divided by, okay, divided by what? 2y. Okay, so what is our heading? One algebraic expression is there divided by a monomial. Clear? So in this type of question, we divide 3 terms are there. Okay, we divide each term by 2y. That means what? 4y cube divided by 2y plus 5y square divided by 2y plus 6y divided by 2y. Clear? What is it? One algebraic expression divided by a monomial means each term consists in algebraic expression divided by that monomial. Okay, then 2 in 4 2 times. Okay, y, here y cube. So 1y is cancelled, after that square. Okay, then 5 by 2. You can't do anything. Here it is y square y. So we can cancel 1y. Okay, and then 2 in 6 3 times. Y cancelled 1 time. Okay, so what will you get here? 2y square, clear, plus 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2 y. Here y is there. Okay, plus 3. Okay, this is our required factorization. Clear? 2y square plus 5 by 2y plus 3. That means one algebraic expression divided by a monomial. That means we divide each term by that monomial. Clear? Next one. One algebraic expression is there. What is it? 7x square plus 14x. Okay? It is one algebraic expression divided by what? X plus 2. It is not a monomial because two terms are there. Okay? So, it is considered as a polynomial. How to divide one algebraic expression by a polynomial? So, what will you do? First, we want to simplify this algebraic expression and then you can divide it by x plus 2. In previous problem, one algebraic expression is there and divided by one monomial. So, each term is divided by that monomial. Here one algebraic expression is there and divided by a polynomial. Okay, that is two terms are there. Clear? So what will you do? First we want to simplify this algebraic expression and then divided by that polynomial. Clear? So 7x square means what? 7 into x into x. Clear? 14x, that is 2 into 7. Prime product. Okay? Into x. Which is common? 7 is common. X is common. Clear? So, 7x square plus 14x equal 7 and x is common. So, we take outside 7x. The remaining term is, here it is x and here operation is plus and here it is 2. Clear? So, this will simplify to what? 7x into x plus 2 divided by x plus 2. Yes, x plus 2. Then you can cancel x plus 2, we get 7x. Clear? So, this is the procedure. What is it? First one, monomial by a monomial. What is it? What is our question? That is 6x cube divided by 2x. No? That first problem. Second one algebraic expression is there. That is divided by a monomial. So, each term is divided by that monomial. Next one algebraic expression divided by a polynomial. Okay, two terms are there. So, what will you do? First, we want to simplify that algebraic expression. After that, you can divide it. Clear? This is the procedure. Then the next one more question, that is listen here, that is divide, that is example question 16 in your textbook, that is divide z into 5 z square minus 80, okay, divided by what? 5z divided by 5z into z plus 4. So, what is z? One algebraic expression is there. We want to divide it by a polynomial. So, first we want to simplify this expression. Clear? So, what will you do? That is z. Okay, here it is z. First, 5z square minus 80. So, what will you do? 5z square. What is it? 5 into z into z. 80 means what? 80. Yes, 2, 40, 2, 20, 2, 10, 5. Okay, 16, 5. 5s are 80. So, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Which term is common? That is 5. 5 is common. Okay. So, what will you write? 5z square minus 80 equal z square. Okay. Z square. This one. Z square minus. Here 5 taken outside. Then what will you get? That is 16. Okay. So, what will you get? Z into 5 z square minus 80 equal z into z square minus 16. Here z square minus 16. Z square minus 16, how will you write? A square minus b square. Yes, z into z plus 4 into z minus 4 is actually z square minus 16. Yes, z square minus 16 means what? Z the whole square minus 4 the whole square. Okay, again a minus a square minus b square. Okay, after that, so we can simplify this expression to this one. Okay, what? Z into z plus 4 into z minus 4. Okay, that is what 5 is common, no? Yes, so 5z square. Here it is, 5z. Okay, so I just forgot a 5z. Okay, 5z into z plus 4 into z minus 4 because 5 is common, no? So 5 into z square minus 16. Here it is, 5 is common, then z square minus 16. Okay, after that z into this means what? 5 into z into z square. And then here it is 5 into z into z plus 4 into z minus 4. Okay, after that divided by what? 5z into z plus 4. So you can cancel 5 z plus 4, z plus 4 we get z minus 4. So one algebraic expression is there. So first we want to simplify it. Okay, so z into 5z square minus 80. So z is there. First we want to simplify in bracket. So 5z square means 5 into z into z. 80 means what? 2 into 2 into prime product. Okay, fine. 5 is common. So we take outside 5 into z square minus 60. Clear? Then z into 5z square minus 80 becomes what? 5 into here z. After that this becomes z square minus 60. Again we apply a plus b, a square minus b square. So 5 into z plus 4 into z minus 4. So what will you get after that? You can divide it. Then at last you will get z minus 4. Clear?